Well, congratulations on purchasing the Ultimate Content Creation Toolkit. And with that, you'll be on your way to creating 6 to 12 months worth of content. And if you got the Promoting Your Content, you'll also be learning how to promote that content. Now, there is one more step that you can take, and that is after you have created and published your content and promoted it, you can also publish it on authority sites. And authority sites include places such as Forbes, Huffington Post, entrepreneur.com. You've probably seen other people's sites that show the logos for those kinds of authority sites as seen on, and you can put that on your site too. So, what publishing on authority sites does for you is it helps you reach a wider audience, and it also helps you build your reputation as an expert because you're going to be seen as an expert just by association through those authority sites. So, in order to help you do that, I've created a special training on how to get your content published on authority sites. And this will go into 7 different steps that you can take to get published on these sites. And then you can put those logos on your website that show that you are an expert enough to be featured on those sites. Now, as a bonus, I've also included a training on influencer marketing. And that's where you can go to people who are considered influencers and do joint ventures with them, get your content on their sites. And you can also become an influencer yourself. And so that training shows you how to do that. So with these 2 trainings, you'll have the final step to really completing your education on how to use content marketing to build your business. So if you'd like to also learn how to get published on these authority sites and use influencer marketing, just click on the button and I'll see you on the other side.